Hello, everyone. This is Dave from Dave's Recent Things. Today, I'm continuing my bow making series, and we are going to make this little mini bundle bow. How cute is this? Why don't we just get started, and I'll show you how I created it. I am going to be using 2.5-inch wired ribbon today, and everything else that you're going to need is really simple. It's a ruler, a pair of scissors, and a pipe cleaner or some floral wire. That's totally fine, just something to tie everything together. And that's all you're going to need. I'm going to start by placing my ruler down on my table. I'm going to grab my wired ribbon. Again, it's 2.5 inches wired ribbon. And I'm going to cut it at 17 inches for each piece. So for this wired ribbon and for this little mini bundle that I call it, I'm just going to do 17 inches and I'm going to cut 5 strips at that 17-inch mark. Now, if you want longer tails, go longer. If you want more bundles or loops, cut more. But today I'm going to do a 5-loop mini bundle bow. And once I've got my strips cut, I'm just going to finish them off by folding them over with the good side facing out and giving a dovetail. Now, if you want a deeper dovetail, you do more of an angle, less of a deep dovetail, do less of an angle. But I like my dovetails to be a little bit deep, so I do a little bit of a steep angle there, and you can see there's my beautiful dovetails all finished off. And I'm going to do that for both ends on all of my strips. So I have dovetails completely done for 5 of my strips, and that's just going to finish it off on both ends. And I like to see, the dovetails on both ends. And once I'm finished that, I'm just going to get rid of my scraps, tidy up my workspace, and continue on. So here I bring my ruler back out and I put my good side facing down. And I have about 17 inches after the dovetail. This one here is about 16. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it over and come to the 12-inch mark with my other side. And that's going to leave about a 4.5, 5-inch loop there. And then I'm just going to come in a little bit and squish it in the middle. And what I want to make sure is that other tail coming down is within that pinch, and that's where the pipe cleaner is going to go, so the loop's not going to come apart. So again, folding it over to the 12-inch mark, at about the 11-inch mark, I'm going to squish in the center, and then I'm just going to put it in between my 2 fingers for now. And see that little 1-inch overlap there, just to make sure when I put that pipe cleaner on, my bow doesn't come apart. So you do not have to do dovetails for both ends if you don't want to. You can just do it for the exposed end if you want. Or if you don't like the dovetails, you can leave it totally straight. That's totally up to you. The pattern on your ribbon is up to you. This is just my method of doing a little mini bundle bow with this particular ribbon. And of course, I love this ribbon. Who doesn't love the white polka dots on the burlap, right? Well, maybe some people. I don't know. I just love how it looks. So there we go. I'm doing my last piece, and it's created a little bundle. That's why I call it a bundle bow. And with my pipe cleaner, I'm just going to come in there and I'm going to just twist it around, making sure that all the ribbon is in there nice and secured. Give it a couple of good twists. Make sure it's nice and secure. Then we can kind of fluff it up a little bit. And this is one of my little addictions, I guess you would call it, or I love fluffing up ribbon. I don't know why. I could do it for hours and hours. When I edit videos, literally I'm sitting there maybe for 15, 20 minutes fluffing up a bow. But anyways, here we go. We are all finished doing our little mini bundle ribbon with 5 little loops. It's just so cute, so easy to make, and yet the statement at the end is just a wow factor. Here's another one that I created. These were, I think, about 20 inches long. There's 9 loops, so there's 9 pieces, and I just wanted to show you what a different, ribbon style looks like with more loops. This was my winter themed wreath that I did a couple of weeks ago, but it's basically got the same little bundle bow on there. So I just wanted to show you a different style. And here's the one we did today in all of its glory. I just love how these bundle bows look with all of the tails and the loops, and I hope you did as well. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's bow making video. If you did, hit that like button and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much again. Take care. Bye for now.